friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an easy and interesting breakfast using 2 slices of bread and 1 slab of dairy milk. Kids will be super excited and will finish the breakfast in no time, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. I've taken 2 fresh slices of sweet bread and 5 rupees Cadbury dairy milk pack. Let's open the dairy milk and break 1 slab from it. Now we are ready with the ingredients, so let's start the preparation. Cut the bread slices using a circular cookie cutter. This is optional. I'm making it this way to make the kids feel the breakfast a little more interesting. Brush some milk in the edges of both the slices. Place the dairy milk slab in the center of one slice. Top it with the other slice and seal it this way. It's perfectly sealed and ready, so let's now toast it. Heat a pan and add half teaspoon of butter. This is salted butter. Let this melt. Now place the bread in the center of the pan. Keep the flame in low and let this toast for 1 minute. Now one side is nicely done, so flip it to the other side and let this again toast for 1 more minute. Now both sides are nicely done, so let's now remove it. Serve it nice and hot for your kids. The chocolate in the center will be nicely melted and this toast is going to be absolutely delicious. Very unique and easy breakfast recipe, so do try this chocolate bread toast and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a pan. Into this add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, 1 dried red chilies, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chili slit and few curry leaves. Give all the ingredients a quick mix for a few seconds. Then to this add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent. Then goes in 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well until it comes to a boil. Cook for 2 minutes in medium flame until the masala dries up a little. Now our masala is ready, so go ahead and add 6 slices of bread cut into small pieces. Mix it well and make sure the masala is well spread in the bread pieces. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious bread upma is ready. Sprinkle some save on top and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this bread upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.